Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete a Facebook group. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. First of all, click this group and here you will get all your Facebook group. Simply click about the group which you want to delete. So right now I am going to delete this group, so I am clicking on it. After that, click on the people. Here will show up all the members of that group. Each member has to be removed from there one by one. So I am going to removing all the group. I am over this group member and clicking on the three dot icon, and now clicking remove member. Okay, confirm. I am again going to people and here I am removing this member from here, and here we can see total one member available in this group, and this one member is my account admin. So right now all I have to need, just click here and now click on leave group. Are you sure that you want to leave group? As you are the last member leaving now, will also delete this group. Now click this delete group and here we can see this group has been deleted. So this is the way how we can delete our Facebook group. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.